marokete mari gikundi kinene magitanya gukenerera miago yothe na monanio mautonga wa maini no mwihoko wao ndunakira mirango-ini ya kiharo giki thutha wa murugamiriri munene kuruta watho ati matigetikirio kuingira. Matongoretio ni spika wa bunge ya Kilifi Jimmy Kahindi ni matariirie kwaga kuiganira noria maramukirirwo makiuga uyu ti mutugo mwega kuona o marokite ota agendi aria agi.
It is a sad day today. What we are witnessing today is very sad. We can't even comprehend from which point or from which facts that the lady in the office has asked us to back out. In fact, she's giving us 3 or 4 reasons that are not backed up.
Mara nyingi tumekuja hapa Marine Park, tumepata shida kuingia for no reason at all. Hakuna mtu hapa ambao si Mkenya. Sote hapa ni wa Kenya na tumekuja na heshima zetu. Hakuna mtu amekuja na fujo na tumekuja tukitaka kulipa kuingia ndani.
Thegia ya gukuria ugendi guku bururi-ini gikundi giki gikoretwo gikinyita itemi gutheremia kambeini ya kuhurana na murimu wa polio kuria makoretwo magithiururuka icigo ngurani cia bururi ona nja ya bururi.
What we are doing is trying to bring about awareness in terms of tourism and other issues like polio and promoting charitable activities.
Na sisi tuna promote tourism. Tuna raise polio, kuna hii polio awareness. We are riding for polio. We raise funds for that. So mpaka sasa hatujaelewa, tumesimama hapa wanatuambia basi hamtaingia. Nendeni zenu. Sisi ni wa Kenya. Magari yanaingia. Sisi ni wa Kenya. Kwa nini wanatufanya hivyo?
Mateta mao riu merekeirio ruhonge rwa kuramata nyamu cia githaka guku bururi-ini makiuga ruhonge ruru ni rubatie kuigiririka na oho gutacukiria ikinya afitha murugamiriri wa kiharo giki.
This should go to KWS in the most probable way that we need a change at this place. And this is not the first time this is happening. This is the 3rd time this is happening.
Now we don't understand what the problem really is. And we did inquire from the lady who's the boss here. We don't really know her name. And actually she was very rude to us.
Ta atwarithia a kifikifi maugite muoroto na meciria mao ni gukuria bururi mugaru na uria andu aingi mamakuaga ta andu matagireire gutukana na muingi.
We are not hooligans. As it is being said, we are people from government offices, we have lawyers in us, we have doctors in us, we have everybody is combined in this club, Coast Riders Club.
Mahida maya mamabura mathiguku ugendi na makeria muno mwena wa gicua-ini ni wikireirwo gikundi giki gikihinyiriria ati gutire mundu ubatie kuhingiririo kwiyonera uthaka wa bururi kuona ino ni njira imwe ya gukuria ugendi guku bururi-ini. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.